Hey, I'm Destiny and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about topics such as business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as you can already tell by the thumbnail, this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to change your business's address for your EIN with the IRS.GOV. And I'm starting this video off on the IRS.GOV homepage. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the search bar, which we have right here, and type in form 8822B. Okay, and the reason you're typing in form 8822B is because that is going to be the business address change form. And when you type in that number, 6 results are going to pop up. And as you can see, the first form is the 8822, and that's the regular change of address form for the personal side. So you want to make sure you're actually choosing the 8822B, and the B is for the business side. So we're going to go ahead and pull up that form. So I'm going to point out a few things with this form now that we have it all pulled up. So the first thing you're going to want to pay attention to is that it says 8822-B. So make sure it's -B. So it says change of address or responsible party, business. The next thing it says, before you begin, if you are also changing your home address, use form 8822 to report that change. And that's only for your home address. So to change your business address, you're going to check box 1 and box 3 for business location. You're going to type in for 4A, you're going to put your full business name. And then for B, you're going to do your EIN number. And you should already have that saved. Now, for number 5, you're going to type in the old address that you had on your EIN forms. Then for number 6, you're going to type in your full new mailing address. See, mailing address. And this is only for the mailing address. Then number 7, you're going to type in your new business location. So you're going to fill that out. Now, if you're changing, let's say you're changing the responsible party ownership, then you'll put that person's name and put their information down below. But most of the time, you're not. Now, number 10, you're going to go ahead, sign this, put your title, date it. Now, where to file? You're going to want to pay very close attention to this section. So it says, send this form to the address shown here that applies to you. So you're going to have to mail this form in. If your old business address was in, so it has the states listed, and then it tells you where you're going to mail it to. So a lot of my audience is from either Michigan or Texas. So for the first section, if you're in Michigan, we're going to highlight Michigan right here. You're going to send it to the IRS, Kansas City, Missouri. Now, if you're in Texas, you're going to want to pay attention down here. And you're going to send it to, what is that? Ogden? However you say that, Utah, at that address. So make sure you're sending it to the right location. Once you have all that information completed and sent in, then you'll just wait until it's completed and then you'll receive a notification. So I hope you found this video helpful today. And if you aren't already, make sure you're following me on my social media channels, which is I Am Destiny Adams on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, pretty much everywhere. I do have a free Facebook group to where you can join. I'm going to drop that in the description below to where you can advertise your different products if you choose to do so, or just connect with other people who follow my page. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in regards to changes with your EIN or even your LLC. Make sure you drop that in the comment section below and stay tuned for the next video.